today's video we are going to learn that how we can write a unique content. So being a blogger, as you all guys know, that unique content also has a lot of importance when it comes to take an approval from the Google AdSense first of all. And the secondary thing is that if you do not get the organic traffic onto your website, that means you are not going to rank your page anymore on the Google as per the Google console indexing. So let us talk about that how we can write a unique content. So guys, as you know that it is Level Up Blogging Fox, and my name is Abhishek, and in this today's video we are going to learn that how you can write a unique content. So let us, without wasting any more time, so let us start. Hi, now you can see my screen. Okay, so let us go to the pre-post SEO, press enter, and here you can reach over here and you can see that pre-post SEO online SEO tool. At the top of the heading you just have to click on it on the top of the results. This is the dashboard of pre-post SEO. Okay, so two tools we are going to use it. That is a trick that will help you to make a unique content without purchasing any premium content, and trust me, your content will be 100% unique, up to 100% plagiarism free content. So that's great guys, right? So now here you can see there are a lot of tools provided by the prepostSEO.com. Here you can check the plagiarism checker, where you can check the plagiarism, but the tool that we are going to use over here, because our target is to write a blog post. Okay, so it's basically an article. Okay, so let us scroll the screen a bit down and find the article rewriter. In writing education section you can see it is article rewriter. Just click on it. Okay, now, so as you can see here that we are able to see the blank box over here. Okay, and here just keep it simple. Okay, now we have to write an article. We have to write a unique article. Our target is basically to write a unique article which is 100% plagiarism free. That's it. So now let us search an article. Okay, let's suppose I'm going to search an article on fat loss. Okay, so just type fat loss article. Okay, here we have a lot of blogs post belongs to a fat loss niche. So let us choose anyone. Okay, like fat loss article. Over here I can see in the number 3rd that fat loss article, learn how to lose fat, muscles, strength and all. Okay, let us start it. Just click on it. Okay, from here we can copy. From here we can see the different blog posts. Just click on any one of them, and now from here let's suppose just take these paragraphs. Okay, from here just copy it. Okay, just copy it from here. So this is already existing, so these paragraphs is already existing on a blog post. That means that it is obviously we cannot use in our blog post because it is plagiarism. Okay, so now what we can do, as all bloggers used to check, if you are new to blogging it, then it is okay as well. So now just go to small SEO tool. That is the name of a tool, small SEO tool.com. Okay, so that you can check the plagiarism. Okay, and from there you can find a plagiarism checker on small SEO tool, So as you can see that here we have our plagiarism checker, okay, from small SEO tool. Basically in this tutorial we are using two tools. First one is one that will help us really to generate a unique article, that is pre-post SEO tool, okay. And the second one, it could be a plagiarism checker. It could be any plagiarism checker, just like small SEO tools over here. It has also have a plagiarism checker. It has also good plagiarism checker, so I'm using it right now. Or I can use as some another one, like here, this one. So this one is Dupli checker, okay. So you can also use Dupli checker. Now what you have to do is you have to just paste your content over here, which we have just copied it from a live health blog, okay. That this one, okay, just paste it. As we are picking it from randomly from the website, that means it definitely have a plagiarism. So let us check it how much plagiarism it has. So the Dupli checker is fetching the plagiarism report for us. So let us wait. Here it is loading right now, scanning for the, let's wait for a moment, and now we get the results here. As you know that guys, we have copied this content from a live blog post, so obviously this blog post has 100% plagiarism. Obviously guys, you are not going to use such kind of articles on your blog post, as Google will never rank you, okay. So now what is the catch here? The catch here in this video is that now the same article which is related to the health blog, that we have just copied from a live blog, okay. Now just copy it, now the lesson behind the today's video is that we are going to create a unique article. So these tools are just for the plagiarism checking, that's it. So now let us move to the pre-post SEO, okay. Here an article rewriter again, and in this blank box just paste your article that we have just copied, and this one has 100% plagiarism. Now just click on the rewrite article button, okay. Then you will find here is our unique article, guys. You can also do some tweaking and changes according to your blog post, okay. So please do not copy the same content from here. If you can copy, if you want to copy you can copy it, but still you have to add your bullet points, important points, okay. And then you can also paste your your handwritten article over here to create a unique article. But if you would like to copy a content from a web, you can do this, but please do not copy it fully, okay. As per the Google Webmaster Policy, Google accepts 20% plagiarism, but this content that we can see in a fat loss has 0% plagiarism almost. So now let us check it out. So how much plagiarism it has, just copy it and again go to the Dupli checker. Here it was our previous content, just delete it and paste our new content here, and now you can check the plagiarism, okay. It's asking for that, guys, because I'm recording a video, so might be they are asking for the captchas. No issues. So now it is our new content, unique content. Now let us check the plagiarism of it. Here is the catch, guys. Please subscribe, like and comment on my channel if you like it. So you can check the plagiarism in our new content is almost, here is going to have our results. It's 100% unique, guys. That's the catch. 0% plagiarism, okay. Now you can use this article on your blog post. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe, comment and like my video, and I'm going to make more videos and such kind of videos that will help you in your blogging. Thank you for watching video.